guys, my name is Adi. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're fine. Everything is clear, the same as me. And for today, we're gonna make Graham balls. Nice! It's delicious. It's gonna be yummy. And we're gonna open the Lego Friends. This is Aria. This one is Mia. We need also 4 ingredients. Wait! Pretend we're in a shop and you're my customer again. The same as before. Hi customer, we meet before. Is this our real things? Oh, you're using this for your home because you don't have these. That's funny. Honey Graham crackers? This is delicious for me. I love it. Check. Wow, so far. Condensed milk? This is milky and yummy. Check. I'll put this more here. Marshmallows, my favorite with the chocolate. Ooh, biscuit ball chocolate. And that's all it. I'll count the things you have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now you can have it. It's delicious. Not too bad. We also need to prepare a mixing bowl. Let's mix it today. It says that because we're gonna mix. You already learned it. A wooden spoon. Little rolling pin and it's small and it's wood, same as this one. Rolly, rolly, roll. A Ziploc bag. Ooh, it's invisible. Roll, roll, roll. Girls, don't forget to wear on your apron again. Okie dokie Loki. Nice. Now I'm ready. And I wash my hands. Did you wash your hands? You did not. Just wash your hands. Okay, now you had. Look, my hands are clean. Your hands are clean too. Now it's time to crush these Honey Graham crackers. Let's do it first. Keep it up. And almost done, guys. That was fun. Let's do it again. The Graham balls are gonna be yummy. Okay, now I'm done. It looks like sand, yummy sand. That's funny. Looks like edible sand. Now let's put this to here. You can do it. It's not going anywhere else. Very good. Cotton make mix. Now we put the condensed milk. Oh my God, somebody! Wow! Well, curls are there. Let's mix the mush. nice. Add some more. Excellent. Spoon. I want to try it. Oh, beautiful. Look yummy. Gonna look gorgeous after it's like a ball. Curls are there. That's great. Done. Can you eat one? No. It's looking delicious. Condensed milk. Get some more. Put it here. This is getting sticky and sticky. That's yummy. Now time to use our hands. Time to roll them to a ball. I get this part. I need more. I want to try it. Now that's enough. Roll. Flat. 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 Now it's time to put a marsh. And get some more to cover this. Now it's time to put in the sprinkles. You can put whatever you want, but only one. I'll put the blue. Awesome! Ooh, nice. That was fun! Let's do it again. Our next one. But for this one, I'm gonna put a different. Oh, see, it's sugar. Keep it up! Flat, and I'll put chalky. That's so cool. I need to put some more so that I will not show. Roll. I'm gonna put a blue. Blue again? That's yummy. And next one. Ooh, some big hand. Last one! Awesome! My hands are not dirty because my hands are clean. What? And go over here. I will put this chocolate because it's my favorite. That's yummy. I tried this a while back. Close it in. Close it all. But then close. Pop, pop. Ooh. Ooh, it's looking nice. Oh, and done. over here. Awesome to meet Mia and Olivia. Look at them. Thank you, Auntie Sophia. Auntie Sophia gave me this one. Look, Olivia. There's a robot over here. Beep, beep, beep. Wait, you know what's better with friends? Sharing. I'm gonna share. Look, there's a water over here and there's a robot says beep, beep, beep. And here's her. There's a cute little hamster and a strawberry here. You can open this. Oh, she's with her bicycle. With her cute little pet. Oh, and look at Mia. She has her cute dogs. I'll name this one Brownie and I'll name this one Marshmallow. And there's a cookie over here. Chocolate chippy cookie. Oh, and there's a bone. Oh, there's 2 flowers over here. And a slide, a skateboard, and she's using glasses and bows. I don't know what's this. I'm excited. And they're cute. Now let's open Olivia. Let's open. Kids, don't let the babies play with this because it's dangerous for babies. Because they're small things. Okie dokie. Oh, the manual. Wow. The instruction manual. Ooh. Nice. I'll build this one later. Let's open Mia. I'm excited to see what's inside here. With her doggies, I'm going to open her. And then trying to do it. You can do it. Squeezing the box. I got it out. Remove. Now let's just try this. Be careful, guys, with this one because what happens if the babies play with this? That's not good for babies. A manual and a slide. Did it. I'm excited to build it now. Let's assemble Olivia. Look at the construction manual. Wait, let's check if we got the hair. We got the hair. So there's the face. We got face. Is there the body? The body. And is there the skirt and the shoes? Skirt and the shoes. Okay, it's time to build it. Build it over from here. Now let me just put her beautiful, nice hair. I wish I have her here, but she has nice hair. It's all brown. Legs. Okay, now she's done. Look at her. She's beautiful. Lovely. Wow. With the glasses on. Let's put her over here. Oh, that's the job. That's done. That's done. Keep it up. Look, I assembled the plant station. Wow! Cute. Very good. And there's a monitor over here. That's the first one. You put water in the seed, then it grows with the sunlight, like the one from your home. Gotcha! Oh, and it's cute with the strawberry. Wait, I'll put some sunlight to it grow. And the pails over here with the water. The water there. Oh, it's wobbly. Cute. And strawberry. Look at the flower. That flower's over here. Wow, I already assembled. And she's gonna wait here. Cute. Now it's time to assemble Mia. Now Olivia has someone to play with. It's Mia. Awesome! Let me hold the body. And now here. Now she's over here. Assembled. I want that. Put her over here in a different place. They're so cute. Look at her now. This is Olivia with her scooter delivering some flowers to, I don't know, and with her pet hamster. Cute. And here's the robot saying beep, 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 beep. To help her. And this is beautiful. I'll put some sunlight so that will grow. This is the plant station. We'll play all over here and put some sunlight so that they will grow. A flower over here, a flower over here. This is Mia with her skateboard at the park. See the slide? And look, wee, wee, wee. The dog is playing. Look at this cute little marshmallow. She's eating some bones. I love it. But only one. And here's Brownie playing. They have cute little bows. 2 cookies are here. And 2 bones. Nice. There's 3 bones. Oh, look at the two flowers with a flag. Oh my god. A nice slide. Whoa. That's so beautiful. Cool. You go from here. And you go down over here. Assembling this Lego set is making me hungry. Super duper hungry. So, I got a snack to eat. Wow. It's a Graham ball. That's yummy. And it's just from the fridge. You know what? Guys, boys and girls, and children, it's good to share your food to your friends. Okie dokie, Loki. My first bite is for you. Yummy. I want that. It's delicious. I see the blue ones. That's it, guys. I hope you like my video. I love it. And please don't forget to subscribe in my channel. And don't forget to like and share my videos, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, boys and girls. Bye, kids.